If you want to capture more in your Snapchat photos or videos, here's how to use the wide-angle lens quick and easy. First of all, make sure your iPhone or Android supports it. You will need a device with a wide-angle camera like iPhone 11 or newer and many Samsung Galaxy or Pixel phones. If your phone doesn't have a wide lens, this option won't appear. Launch your Snapchat app and make sure you're on the camera screen. Then use two fingers to pinch outward like zooming out. This will activate the wide angle lens if it's available on your phone. And on some phones, Snapchat shows lens buttons like 1x or 0.5x. Tap on those buttons to switch. And that's all. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more of these, and thank you for watching.